Hello everyone, welcome to our Excel Essentials series. In today's lesson, we'll be exploring the HLOOKUP function, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently use HLOOKUP to find data in large horizontal tables, thereby saving you time and effort. HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup. It is a function used to search for a value in the top row of a table and return a value from a row below it. This is especially useful when you have data organized in rows rather than columns. The syntax for the HLOOKUP is as shown on the screen. Once you call up the HLOOKUP function, the first term is the lookup value. This is the value that you want to search for in the top row. Next, we have the table array, which refers to the range of cells containing the data. Then we have the row index num, which refers to the row number in the table from which to retrieve the value. And the last term is the range lookup. This term is optional and it allows for the true or the false, where the true is to check for an approximate match and the false for an exact match. So let's work with our example here where we want to use the basic lookup function. We have a table that has the following data. In the first row, we have the product IDs. In the second row, we have the product names. And in the third row, we have the prices. Our task here is to find the price for a specific product ID. So let us say that we want to find the price of a specific product ID. So let us say that we want to find the price for product ID P3003. The formula will be for us to call the HLOOKUP function, which will be equal to HLOOKUP. We open our brackets and in inverted commas, we write P003, comma, our table array is A1 to E3, and then we say 3 because we're dealing with the third row. Okay, the price is in the third row. And then we say, yeah, we want an exact match, so false. This will return the price 4.2 for oranges with product ID P003. Now let us work when we only want an approximate match rather than an exact match. Let's say we have a grading table. We have grades A to D, and the scores range from 60 to more than 90. Those who score 60 to 69 have the grade D. Those who score 70 to 79 have the grade C. Those who score 80 to 89 have the grade B. And those who score 90 to 90 and above have the grade A. Okay. And we want to find the score of 85. The formula will be for us to call the HLOOKUP function, and then we have a score of 85. Okay, so 85, our data array is M1 to Q3, where we are working with this we're working with the score. Okay, but then we want a grade. Okay, and we want to use an approximate match, so we say true. Now we have one of the two major errors when we're using the HLOOKUP function. The major errors that we see are the NA error and the ref error. The NA error occurs when the lookup value is not found in the top row of the table, as in this case. And the ref error, which is something that looks like this. This is what the ref error looks like. So this error happens when the row index number is larger than the number of rows in the table. To deal with this, we need to always check if the lookup value exists in the top row of the table and to ensure that the row index number is correct and within the table's row range. Also, we need to ensure that the data is in ascending order in the top row. So because HLOOKUP requires that the top row has to be sorted in ascending order when we're doing an approximate match. Okay, so let us arrange this data accordingly. What we're dealing with is the range and it has to be in ascending order. Okay, we want then of course to be followed by the grade. This is the worst grade, should be D, and then C, B, A. Okay, so we call up the HLOOKUP function and in the inverted commas we insert the number we want to, the grade, the number associated to the grade we're interested in. So 85, and then we highlight the range, which is M9 to Q11 in this case. And then we say 2 because that's where the grade is, and because we want an approximate match, we say true. So you see here, we get the grade that we're looking for, where HLOOKUP returns a B because 85 falls within the 80 to 89 range. That's it for today's tutorial on HLOOKUP. We've covered the basics, including both exact and approximate matching. Practice using HLOOKUP with your own data and explore advanced techniques as you get more comfortable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this tutorial useful. Until next time, happy data analyzing.